We're live at Waldorf, Astoria, Jumeirah, Dubai, and we just had brunch. It was beautiful, and now we're chilling at the beach. Yeah, we're chilling at the beach before we go back home. It's amazing. It's been a beautiful Christmas, and we thank God for everything. The food was nice. The ambience here is beautiful. And will I recommend this place to my friends? Yes, Waldorf Astoria is beautiful. You will not have any regrets whatsoever. Waldorf Astoria, Jumeirah, Dubai. So I'm waiting for my nephews and nieces, and we hit the beach. Yeah, hit the beach and have more fun. A beautiful Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Merry Christmas. All right, see you guys later. More vlogs coming up. See ya. Cheers.